Hello? Hey guys, we are on the way to the beach where I have lost my GoPro because somebody just contacted me that they found it. And we are on the way right now and we're gonna check it out. Let's hope that this is my GoPro. Let's hope that this is the moment that I will see it again. So, let's see. Well guys, I just met the lady and who found my GoPro, and here it is. I cannot believe it that she found it. It's like, the waves were so huge, I don't even understand how she found it, and I cannot believe it. I really cannot. This is just so amazing. I'm excited, and let's just see. I hope that the GoPro works, and if it does work, I want to see how I lost my GoPro, and I will show it to you guys. See ya. I cannot believe what just happened today. I found my GoPro. I am completely shocked. I don't know. I don't know what else to say. You can just see all of the salt and algae forming up on the GoPro. That is just crazy. So I have not opened the case yet, and I'm not sure if water have gotten in because it has been in the ocean for over 3 weeks. So let's hope that the GoPro still works. If it does work, then praise God. Let's hope, fingers crossed, and I cannot wait to see it. Alright, so let's see if this guy will work, and I'm gonna open this case up. It may get a little bit messy, but let's just see and see how it is. Alright. Oh, 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 look at that right there. Oh, it doesn't look wet. It looks dry. Completely dry and clean. This is another GoPro right here, so let's try it.
Round 2.
There's a video of me surfing, and this was just minutes before I lost it. I honestly cannot believe that somebody found my GoPro and called me. I mean, this guy had been gone for 3 weeks, and I cannot imagine what, I mean, like, I still could not believe that I have it in my hand right now. This is insane. It feels like a dream, and it still does. I mean, to the person who found the camera, thank you so much for giving me a call. And you do not know how much I really appreciate that. And like, that just made my day, my week, just happy. And so thank you so much for it, and I really do appreciate it. So, I have 2 cameras now, and I decided to keep both of them, and I'm going to be shooting a lot more awesome shots in the future, and I cannot wait to share it with y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. And I definitely will see you guys next time. See ya.